In this short tutorial, you will learn how to convert a video into an audio file using CapCut on your mobile device. CapCut is a popular video editing app that offers various features, including the ability to extract audio from videos. To get started, open up the CapCut app and then tap New Project. Then select any video you like. Tap on the Add button. What you want to do next is tap on the audio option at the bottom. Then tap Extract. Then select the video that you want to convert to audio. Tap on the Extract and Add Audio button at the bottom. As you can see, that video is converted to audio. You can further edit it by adjusting volume levels, adding effects, or combining it with other audio files. This feature in CapCut makes it easy to repurpose content or create new multimedia projects using just the audio from videos. Once you've finished editing your video, you can export it as you normally would. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.